the leading causes of patients starting dialysis is number 1, diabetes, number 2, high blood pressure, and number 3 is inflammation of the kidneys. These are lifestyle diseases, yung first two, and they occur in families. So, for example, yung mga magulang mo or nanay mo may diabetes. So, ikaw, maybe once you reach adulthood, you should start checking your blood every year. Do the blood test to check if you have diabetes because it runs in families. Minsan kasi yung mga patient, mga 10 years na, bago nila malaman may diabetes sila, malala na, meron ng komplikasyon. So, if you recognize na meron kang high risk factor, na may diabetes sa pamilya, may high blood sa pamilya, or another risk factor is may kamag-anak ka na nagda-dialysis or may chronic kidney disease. Like, kunwari, isa mong kapatid nagda-dialysis, high risk ka na rin that you might be developing chronic kidney disease. So, kailangan din magpa-check up. So, wag natin hintayin na malala na yung nararamdaman na natin bago tayo magpa-check up.